Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Wendy, and today I'm doing another Your Creative Studio unboxing. Now, if you've never heard of Your Creative Studio, they are a monthly subscription box for vintage themed stationery supplies that are put into themes every month. And I think this is now the fourth unboxing that I've done on my channel, and I absolutely love what Amanda puts together every month. And I believe this is the May subscription box, so thank you so much, Amanda, for sending this to me. These subscription boxes are really popular in the journaling and planning community, so if you want to get your hands on one, just make sure you go on the website and do it well in advance. One of her subscription boxes is, I think, $28.20, and that includes shipping in the US and Canada, but you can get a discounted rate if you order a couple or a few months in advance, and that also saves your spot for the next month's subscription box, so you don't have to worry about getting a spot, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and start opening this up. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the box, and here is what the inside looks like. And then everything comes really neatly packaged in this gorgeous vintage themed tissue paper. So I'm going to go ahead and just take that out and set the box aside. And I love this paper that she uses to package the items inside. I actually have used it multiple times in my junk journal, and I love it. It's so cute. So I try to save it every time I get one of these boxes. All right, so I'm really excited already because this looks like a tape runner. So it says photo safe, and I can't read the packaging, but I'm pretty sure this is a tape runner with what looks like, or maybe, I'm not sure if this is tape or little like glue dots, but we'll go ahead and test that out in a minute and see what exactly this is. And then I love these little stationery like notepads. I use them all the time in my journaling, and I love this. This is actually perfect because I want to start using my junk journal as also like kind of a bullet journal and a planner all in one, because it's just not practical for me to use multiple journals and keep up with that. So I'm really excited about this little notepad. So got that. And this, what is this? Worm syrup, shake well before use. Let's open this up and see. I'm really intrigued to see what this is. I love the packaging. I love the vintage theme of this. Love this box. I would definitely be saving this box. Okay, so inside you get a bunch of tickets, it looks like. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are gorgeous. And they look like they're perforated, so you can tear off the little ticket stubs or tags and use it in your journals. Oh, I love these. I'm definitely going to be using these as soon as possible. Looks like a little book tag, and it looks like they're all different. I don't think there's a duplicate in here, which is really nice. I really appreciate that when there's not duplicates. Sometimes I like duplicates just because if I use one thing and I really like it, it kind of makes me sad and I don't want to use it up. Okay, so these ones are the duplicates, but in a different color. So that's nice. I appreciate that. So there's those, and then we have these ones. I love these. So far, this is my favorite item, but I've only shown like 2 items. Oh, this is cute for Christmas time. Okay, so I love that. And I love the box that it came in. It's definitely some unique packaging for some papers. That's really cute. So got that. And these look like vellum notes. Oh, these are beautiful. I love vellum paper. These are really nice. And again, you can cut these. These ones aren't perforated just because it's vellum, but you could definitely like cut these and then use them in some collaging in your journals. I love this. Okay, so got some of those, and I'm pretty sure these are stamps, or maybe washi, sorry, washi tape. And I love her packaging on these little envelopes that she does. I try to save those too and use it as ephemera in my journals. We have a very beautiful rose washi tape. Let me open that up so you guys can see it better. I think that is so gorgeous. I love that. I don't think I have a lot of floral washi, but I don't think I have one like that's just roses. And then this is another washi, and it just has these different shades of red dots or mauve colored polka dots. That's really cute. Ooh, these look like they might be a favorite. Okay, so these look like stamps, like vintage looking stamps, but they look maybe like they're stickers. Let's open this up and see. Yep, I think these are stickers. All right, so these are stickers. They peel off. I really like that. I like that they're stickers and not just cutouts. These are really nice, and they're pretty big compared to like a regular size stamp, so I think these are going to be excellent for my journals. And there are 2 of each. It looks like in here. Oh my gosh, these are so nice. I like these. Ooh, I really like this one and this one and all of them. Okay, so those are definitely a new favorite item in this box. Then we have a little charm. It's a little rose and a hoop. It's really cute to add embellishments to journals. And it looks like the theme of this box is roses. I'm pretty sure it's roses or flowers. So these are some rose stickers with little quotes in here. Like this one says, "But do not let any unwholesome talk come out of your mouths, but only what is helpful for building others up." Oh, I really like that. And I like that these are transparent. So got some of those, and then some butterfly stickers. And then this is the Your Creative Studio sticker sheet. Every subscription box comes with like an exclusive item from your creative studio. So this is that item, beautiful vintage black and white roses. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that is the theme for this box because of the washi tape had roses on it, and then all of these papers looks like they might have roses on them, and then yeah, so I'm pretty sure the theme is roses, and I love that. I really like how she takes her time and comes up with these themes and picks out all of the little items that just go so well together. And then here are some 6x6 pieces of vintage looking scrapbook paper. It looks like there are 5 different papers in here. So beautiful. And I like, honestly, the 6x6 size. I like to use those in my journals more than like a 12x12 piece of paper pad, just because these are a lot easier to store and to work with on my desk when I am journaling. So these are very beautiful pieces. So I can't wait to use these, and honestly, this is the perfect theme for my latest journal that I made. I made a plant journal, and so a lot of the themes in here are like botanical, and I actually have a lot of like your creative studio pieces that I used in this journal. So I think this is going to look gorgeous. These pieces are going to look gorgeous in this journal that I just made, because I have, again, like a plant or botanical theme going on. So I can't wait to use these items. Now let's go ahead and test out this thing that we got at the beginning of the unboxing. We're just going to go ahead and test it out right in actually this journal that I just showed you guys and see what exactly it is. I have like this big white space right here. So let's go ahead and use it on that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is like sticky tape or like little glue dots. Yep, it's like a tape runner pretty much. And I love the applicator on this. I usually use the Tombow tape runners, but I like this is kind of like a pencil grip. I like that. So like I would just use like this right here. I would just kind of put in there like this. Actually, okay, so that's a really nice glue runner. So I really like that. All right, so that's it for this unboxing. I really love everything that came in this month's subscription box. I think my 2 favorite items though are these tags. I can't wait to use these in my journaling. I think they're the perfect size to do journaling on, as well as to use for collaging. So I can't wait to use those. And then I also really love these stamp stickers, these kind of oversized stamps with all these botanical images on them. I love these. And I think I also love this tape runner just as much as well, just because of how, again, it kind of, you can use it kind of like you would a pencil with the grip. And I really like the glue as well. It's very sticky. And I actually want to go see where I can purchase the refills for this glue runner, because I really like it. So I'm really happy again with everything that I got in this box. I definitely think the packaging for these was really interesting and cool, and I just really like this box. I'm gonna save it and figure out how I can incorporate it into my journals. Maybe I can make like a pull-out envelope or something out of this. So again, go onto Your Creative Studio's website and reserve your next box, just because her boxes do sell out very quick because they are very popular, and for good reason, because look at all of these amazing goodies that come in these boxes. If you did love this video, I would love a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button on your way out. And until next time, I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.